Hello Power BI enthusiasts, welcome to our Solution Unlock channel. Are you ready to take your Power BI skills to the next level? Today we are diving into an epic journey of mastery with not one, not two, but 12 hand-on projects that will transform you into a Power BI wizard. This is not a one-way street. I want you to be part of this journey. Drop a comment if you are excited and let me know which project you are most eager to tackle. So let's roll up our sleeves and embark on these mastery projects that cover everything from data visualization magic to insightful analytics. So moving towards our first basic level project, that is product sales data analysis. Sales data analysis is crucial for monitoring performance and addressing key business queries. In this project, you will analyze a company's sale data, highlighting profits per product, overall sales, and other vital factors impacting business outcomes. The skills you will be practicing in this project will be data importing, use of data visualization like bar charts, pie charts, and creating calculated columns. And then the most demanding basic level project is customer churn analysis. Modern enterprises faces the issue of customer migration, and to address this, it's crucial to understand the underlying reasons and contributing factors. In this project, you will aim to shed light on customer behavior, demographic trends, and patterns of churn. The skills practiced will be combo charts, bar charts, line charts, cards, tables for overview page, whereas column charts, bubble charts, point maps, tables for the customer segmentation page. Is in marketing campaign insight analysis, data analysts maximize your marketing impact, analyze campaign data to understand your audience, channels, and budget efficiency. Whereas in skill practiced, bar charts for category wise expenditures, smart narratives for highlighting key aspects of the campaign, column charts for the campaign success rate. In the intermediate level project, financial performance analysis is widely used, where data analysts compile financial information from various channels to generate comprehensive income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. The skill that will be practiced in this will be data consolidation from diverse sources, designing interactive dashboards with dynamic visualizations such as income statement, balance statement, and cash flow charts. Proficiency in DAX for measures of financial metrics. Then in HR employee performance tracker, data analyst monitors key performance metrics, analyze turnover rates, and visually present workforce demographics. This project aims to provide comprehensive insights into employee performance and demographic trends. The skills that will be covered in this will be data integration and analysis from HR systems, development of interactive dashboards with Power BI, analysis of employee performance metrics, charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization, statistical analysis, and predictive modeling for turnover rates. In the fifth project, Marketing Campaign Analyzer, data analysts evaluate marketing campaign effectiveness, calculate return on investment (ROI), and dynamic dashboards to visualize customer engagement metrics. The skills which we practice in this are data integration and manipulation from diverse marketing platforms, design and development of interactive dashboards, calculation and analysis of marketing campaign KPIs, data visualization using charts, graphs, and maps, A/B testing, and data-driven optimization of marketing campaigns. Entering into the advanced level projects, the first is retail analytics dashboards, where data analysts develop a retail analytics dashboard that seamlessly integrates sales, customers, and inventory data, offering a holistic view of retail operations, where we will learn data integration, data modeling, and visualization. Proficiency in DAX for custom metrics, Power Query for data transformation, dashboard design, and report interactively. Whereas in the 8 project supply chain optimization report, data analysts develop a comprehensive report focusing on analyzing logistics, identifying bottlenecks, and proposing effective optimization strategies. The skill learned will be data analysis and interpretation from diverse supply chain sources, visualize key supply chain metrics, performance trends, and bottlenecks. Power BI what if analysis capabilities to test different optimization strategies and live data source monitoring. And the next is healthcare patient data analysis. Data analysts create a healthcare analytics dashboard that visually represents patient demographics, treatment outcomes, and resource utilization in healthcare settings. The skills will be data wrangling and secure handling of sensitive healthcare data, design, secure and interactive dashboards with visualization, real time monitoring, filtering, and drilling down reports, machine learning for future resource utilization predictions. In the expert level projects, the first is real estate market trend predictor, where data analysts develop a predictor that goes beyond traditional analysis by leveraging advanced techniques to forecast property values and identify lucrative investment opportunities. The skill practiced will be dynamic dashboards building with charts, graphs, maps, scenario modeling of impact of different investment scenarios by adjusting variables like interest rates, economic factors, and property characteristics. Real time market monitoring and Power BI's AI capabilities to gain automated insights. Expert level data analysts also create a manufacturing process efficiency analyzer with the capability to monitor manufacturing process, track efficiency metrics, and predict maintenance need. The skills that will be practiced are data acquisition and integration from various manufacturing resources, design interactive dashboards tailored enabling real-time monitoring, drill down analysis, Power BI extensive library of industry-specific visualization like Gantt charts and overall equipment effectiveness, dashboards, automated alerts, security data assuring, and collaborating among stakeholders. The last and the most important expert level data analysis project is telecommunication customer churn predictor, in which Data analysts create a predictor designed to analyze customer data, predict churn rates, and identify key factors influencing customer retention. The skill practice will be data analysis and cleaning from diverse telecommunication sources, machine learning, modeling for churn prediction, and customer segmentation. Utilize Power BI geographical maps to analyze targeted outreach efforts. Power BI's what if analysis feature to analyze the impact of different retention strategies on predicted churn rates. Congratulations on reaching the end of this Power BI mastery journey. By showing these 12 impactful projects on your resume, you are not just saying you know Power BI, you are proving it. Explore additional resources and tutorials to keep enhancing your skills. The Power BI community is vast and there is always more to discover. If you found this series valuable, subscribe for more contents on the mastering data analytics tools and techniques. Your journey to becoming a data wizard has just begun.